we have a train coming. I'm just using my iPad right now because I couldn't find my camera in time. So, yeah, I'm using my iPad and it's not such good quality, but still, hopefully, enjoy the video. I'll do a couple horn blasts. I'll tell him to do a couple horn blasts. Nice horn. Hey guys. Woo! Woo! Woo woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Nice engineer! This is the best spot to give him a horn honking spot, guys! What a nice engineer! Extra horn honks! You're kind of way back there. Number 2 bell backwards. Reverse number 2 bell is what it's kind of here. You can barely hear it though. I don't think you can hear it through this microphone, but I can. Okay, we got some logs there. I'm pretty close up to the train right now. There goes. Oh yeah, guys. See you later with another video. Yeah, I can't zoom in to my iPad. Well, yep. Have a great day. That was nice of that engineer to give me some nice horn honks. Well, see you later. Bye. Please subscribe, like, and comment. But subscribe. I already got 30 subscribers. Thank you for all the 30 subscribers. So, yeah, see you later on another video. Bye.